But when I checked my good bees over there, I noticed there's a swarm which you can barely see below the ladder I got up there. So I need to prepare a box, which I've done. A bit rudimentary, but I need one box of frames down there, as you can see. I've tied them together rather rudimentarily because I want to be able to carry it. I've got to have it on top of the actual ladder, which will be good fun. So that's what I'll be filming. Look at the girls hard at work. This is on our Nashi pear tree. Okay, it's time to put the bee suit on. George reckons I don't need one, but... Okay, I'm almost ready. I think I've got somebody trying to hit me in it already. But here is the... look at that. I've got to get up there, cut that one, and cut that one over there. Look at these babies. They're fairly passive, supposedly. You can see I've got my camera fairly close to them. It's just amazing. I've got somebody in the back of my head. That is out of George's hive, I believe. I'm not sure though. We haven't branded them, so we don't know, but his hive had a few queen cells when I checked 5 days ago, so it possibly is them. Anyway, we'll see how I go. Okay, the entertainment starts. I'm going to come from this side. This is relatively solid. You can see the whole swarm is actually shaking in the wind. Not taking any chances though. This top box is swiveling about a bit. Got one. What next? Wow. It's a bit upset at the moment. Let's see if I can get it down without making any mess. Yeah. Mission accomplished so far. Now those girls are trying to get in. They won't be able to get in because there's a queen excluder, which I'm trying to get the queen in. You see there's a whole lot of bees here that drop down, waiting to get back in, but I'm going to wait a while. See there, they're trying to get in, but I will do so before nightfall. So I'm going to get a these girls are trying to get in, which means that the queen's in there. So I'm not 100% confident, but pretty confident that the queen's in there, so I could probably let the queen excluder go and the girls can go home. But I'm going to get a pallet first to put this one on, so it's a bit better, should be level. Okay, right, so there you have it, my first successful gathering of a swarm. A few more girls down there, hopefully they'll find their way back there. That's where they come from. There's still a few up there, as you can see. Okay, mission accomplished. They came out of that tree, put them in that box. Most of them are going inside, as you can see, and there they are there, quite happily. You can see a few dead ones on the side there, unfortunately, but that's part and parcel what goes on. There's a little one down there. But I reckon I got most of them, which is great. Enjoy your new home, girls. I don't know if you can hear the buzz.